What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we will be installing some new LED angel eyes. No more ugly yellow angel eyes. I got these LED marker. I don't know exactly what brand, but I got them off Amazon. I will make sure to put the link in the description. They weren't even that expensive. I'll have to check on the price. I forgot how much it was, but I remember they were pretty affordable. And I also read a bunch of reviews on these, and they're actually a really good price. So without further ado, let's pop the hood open and get to installing these. And really quick, I'll show you guys a before of what the angel eyes look like. I watched a couple DIYs on YouTube. Hopefully I get everything right on the first try, but from what I know is you pop this cover off and the angel eyes are sitting in there. So let's go ahead and pop this off. Pretty sure it's just some little clips, so let me go get like a flathead. Here's the two little clips that hold it in. You just pop those off, pry them off, and you take this off. And now you have access to the angel eyes. So the angel eye is this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect that and disconnect this wire real quick too, because this connects to it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. This right here, it's gonna be hard to show you guys with my hands and also do it at the same time, but you can kind of see I already turned it. So basically you just turn it a little bit and it'll clip out, and then you just pull it out. So the same thing will go when you install it. You have to, these are locked by turning them. So right now I turned it counterclockwise to loosen it. So now it's pretty much popped out. I just need to pull it out, finesse it out. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, here we are. And try to not touch the little actual bulb, just in case you want to reuse it, because if you touch them, they go bad. So try to keep your hands off. So basically you're just going to unclip right here, the sides. Let me get my flathead. Unclip that, and here. Just pull it off. There you go. Let's go ahead and get the new one. And these are plug and play, so it's super easy to install. Besides trying to get the actual bulb in there, it's kind of a pain. So with these are pretty nice. They made it super easy to where you could just unplug these until you get them in, so you don't have all this wire to work with while you're trying to finesse the whole light bulb in. So just unplug it and then plug the rest back in once you actually have it in there. Alright guys, finally got it locked in there. It's pretty good. So I twisted it back clockwise, and that's how you know it's locked. You can even tug on it. It's not going anywhere. There we go. So now let's go ahead and start it. I got this side done. This side is still the OEM rings, but let's go ahead and see the comparison. a nice crisp white color, LED color, compared to this side. So let's go ahead and get this side done and call it good. Right guys, so there you have it. These are temporary because I really want to customize my whole headlight, take it apart, you know, put in the M4 style rings, and this was just temporary because I needed to get rid of those ugly orange ones. But yeah, just a little DIY for you guys. I got a bunch of parts coming in tomorrow for the whole front end, so I'm gonna do a whole new like front end makeover. It's gonna look so much better than it does right now, and super excited for that. I will go ahead and put the link to these angel eyes in the description down below. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the like button so I know you guys are enjoying this content. Turn your post notifications on so you guys get an alert when I post, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.